Hi, my name is Maggie Sullivan. I'm a physiotherapy resident here at Zoomers Physiotherapy, and today we're going to be taking a look at the bird dog exercise. This is a great exercise for the core, and it can also be quite a challenging exercise. So we're going to get started here now. So for this exercise, we're going to be on our hands and knees. You want to make sure that your hands and wrists are underneath your shoulders, and that your knees are underneath your hips, making sure that your knees are about shoulder width apart. So from here, you're going to make sure that you tighten your core, and then keeping your core nice and tight, you're going to lift up one arm and one leg, making sure when you lift up that your hips stay facing the mat and don't turn out to the side. Holding here, and then bringing back down. You're going to switch to the other side, again keeping the core nice and tight, making sure that your hips stay down. And then if that's too challenging, you can always just go one limb at a time, making sure that the core stays nice and tight. Lifting one leg up at a time, or one arm up at a time. Give that a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions, and see you next time.